Hello everyone, my name is Harshit Bhutra and you're watching Digital Sun City. On this channel, I make videos related to WordPress and digital marketing. So if you want to learn more of WordPress and digital marketing, then you can press the subscribe button below. That way, you'll be notified as soon as I publish a new video. So now, let's get started with this video. Today, in this video tutorial, you will learn how to use the HTML field in WPForms in WordPress. Using HTML field, you can showcase various images, videos, or tables in the form. So let's get started with this video. Starting with, hover on to WPForms and click on all forms. I will add an HTML field to the existing form. You can also create a new form. Now, I want to add HTML field in this contact form. So I will simply click on this edit link here. Now, from various fields here, you will find the HTML field under Fancy Fields. Simply drag and drop the HTML field like this. To configure its settings, simply click on it. Here you can enter the label name. Label name for this field is only visible in the form builder and won't be visible in the front end, and the field won't be included in your form entries. And under the code area, you can enter HTML code for various links, images, videos, etc. as per your requirement. You can also add any table as a guide to users. It's all up to you. I will add an HTML code for adding the video. Once done, simply click on Save. Now, let's preview this form to check the code in action. You can see that a reference video has been added to my form using the HTML field of WPForms. So this is how easy it is to use HTML field and make your form more creative and professional. I hope you liked this video. It takes me a lot of efforts to create free videos like these for all of you people. So please consider to subscribe. And if you have any questions or suggestions, then you can directly go to our website digitalsuncity.com/help and then fill in the contact form with your questions. I'll reply to that as soon as possible. Thank you for watching this video.
Hey, before you quit, I have an amazing offer for you. I am giving away free access to all of my digital resources to all of my viewers.
These digital resources can be divided in two types. The first thing is layouts. This includes hundreds of templates for Divi, Elementor, Visual Composer, and a lot of royalty-free graphics which you can use on any website. Now the second thing is premium WordPress video tutorials. In the coming weeks, I am creating video courses for all the major WordPress themes and plugins. This will include video tutorials for WordPress, Divi, Astra, Elementor, Visual Composer, and a lot more. So as you can see, I've already started working on them. Now, to get all of these premium digital resources, you have to go to my website digitalsuncity.com/VIP and put in your email address. And then you'll receive an email which will contain all of these things. That's it. So go to the link in the description right now and claim all of these resources instantly. I am waiting for you to get my digital resources for free.